Good day, dear students. Hope you all are fine. I am Narasa Bryan, your class 3 social science teacher. Dear children, the topic which we are going to learn today is the rivers of Pakistan. Students, this is River Indus. It is the main river of Pakistan and the third largest river in Asia. River Indus is 3,200 kilometers long. It is also called the Sindhu. River Indus rises in the Himalaya mountains in Tibet and runs the entire length of Pakistan from north to the south. The Indus River passes through the mountain ranges of Himalaya and Karakoram. After it passes through the ranges, the river enters the flat plains of Punjab and Sindh. The flow of River Indus slows down here. Children, after the river enters the plain, then it makes its way to the Arabian Sea. This is a picture of tributaries. Students, river and streams that join a main river are called its tributaries, as you see in this picture. Here you can see Himalaya and Karakoram ranges. They are covered with snow, and when the snow melts, they form river. This is the river flowing, and here one of the river and streams are joining the main river, and then this main river is flowing into the Arabian Sea. The point where the rivers and streams join the main river is called tributary. Children, look at this map. In this map you can see the river Indus and its tributaries. This is, you can see, river Indus, and here are the tributaries of river Indus. We can see river Chenab, river Jhelum, river Ravi and river Satluj. There are 5 main rivers of Pakistan. Number 1, we have river Indus, then we have river Jhelum, then we have river Chenab, river Ravi and river Satluj. They are shown in this map here also. These 4 tributaries join with main river, river Indus, and they form the Panjnat at Uch Sharif. All the 5 rivers join here, therefore it is known as Panjnat. As all these rivers flow as one river and they join the river Indus, they then come at a place. This place is called Mithinkot. Mithinkot is a city in Punjab, Pakistan. It is located on the west bank of the river Indus. After Mithinkot, another river from the Hindu Kush, the river Kabul, joined the Indus River at Attock in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Here you can see Indus River flowing at Attock in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. As the Indus River approaches the Arabian Sea, it gets wider and spread out in several channels and rivulets. The channels and rivulets forming a delta east of Karachi. Children, delta is a place where river empties its water into the sea. Delta is a stagnant water. It includes mud, fishes, and small branches. The place where river reaches a sea is called its mouth, as you see in this picture. Student, this is the place which is called a mouth of a river. A river, when flows, it joins different rivers, and then the main river comes, and when they reach the sea, the river then, before flowing into the sea, spread into different channels and rivulets, and before flowing into the sea, when they make the branches and channels, this part is called the mouth of a river. The river provide water for domestic uses. There are some pictures you can see of domestic uses of water. In our daily life, we can use water for bathing, for cooking, for washing our clothes, for cleaning our dishes, and watering the plant. River also provide water for most of the agriculture in Pakistan. The river is also used to transport people and goods from one place to another. Fishermen catches fish from rivers to earn their living. Children, we have very beautiful places in our country Pakistan, so the tourists love to visit our country because there are beautiful sceneries and beautiful places. People from different cities and places come to visit the river and enjoy the beautiful places along its course. Student, this was our lesson. Now you have your home task. You have to answer the following questions. Number 1 is, what is a tributary? Number 2, name the main river of Pakistan and its tributaries. Number 3, what is the mouth of a river? Number 4, where does the Indus form a delta? Then you have your activity. Arrange the following sentences in the correct sequence. The first sentence is, it makes its way to the Arabian Sea. Second, it enters the flat plains of Punjab and Sindh. Number 3, it passes through the mountains. Number 4, it rises in the Himalaya mountains in Tibet. Children, you have to do this homework and all the previous homework in your social science copy. Marks will be given to you on the basis of your homework. Take care of yourself. God bless you all. Thank you.